Every day, diesel engines fail on the road, and almost always during long trips. Not because of bad luck, but because drivers skip easy checks that could have saved their engine in seconds. Picture this. You're on your way to a weekend trip. Music on, road clear, everything perfect. Then a warning light flashes for 1 second, and you ignore it. Minutes later, the engine starts knocking, grinding, screaming. You pull over, but it's already too late. Trip ruined. Diesel engine cooked. Repair bill bigger than the value of the car. The sad part, most of these breakdowns happen because people don't spend 1 minute checking their diesel car before leaving. So today you'll learn the 10 critical checks that smart drivers always do before a long drive. Skip any of these, and your diesel car could end up on a tow truck. 10. Check your oil level. Never trust the last oil change. This is the easiest check in the world, and the one diesel drivers forget the most. People think, I changed the oil 2 months ago, I'm good. Not true. Diesel engines naturally burn small amounts of oil, especially on long trips when they run hotter and work harder. And this oil loss is invisible. No smoke, no warning light, nothing, until the engine is already damaged. When oil gets low, the pump sucks air, pressure drops, and metal parts start rubbing dry at highway speed. Those few seconds of bad lubrication equal years of wear. Many diesel cars with over 100,000 miles burn 7 to 17 ounces of oil per 1,000 miles without a single warning. So before a long trip, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, check the level. If it's below the middle, top it off. A 30-second oil check saves more diesel engines than anything else. 9. Coolant level and small leaks, the silent trip killers. Oil keeps your engine alive, but coolant keeps it from cooking itself. Before any long drive, look at the coolant reservoir. You don't need to open it, just check if the level is between MIN and max. If it's low, it means the engine is burning extra coolant. There's a tiny leak, a hose or clamp is failing, or the system isn't holding pressure. And on the highway, small leaks turn into big problems fast. Check the color too. Clean green, pink or orange equals good. Brown or cloudy equals rust, plus sludge equals bad cooling. If coolant smells sweet after driving, that's a leak. If the reservoir feels soft instead of firm, the system might not be holding pressure. And yes, that little plastic tank can ruin your engine. If the coolant level is dry, your diesel engine is minutes away from becoming overheated scrap metal. 8. Tires and spare tire. Pressure, age, and real wear. Most drivers think tire checks are basic, but they're actually the #1 cause of trip delays, blowouts, and roadside panic. Here's what to do before any long drive. 1. Check tire pressure when the tires are cold, not after you've driven to the gas station. Warm tires give a fake higher reading, tricking you into thinking everything is fine. 2. Add pressure if the car is loaded. More people, bags, gear. All of that means the tires need extra air. Low-pressure tires on the highway heat up fast and can explode at high speeds. Nobody wants a blowout at 75 miles per hour. 3. Check real tire wear. Not just by looking. Use a coin or your finger to check depth. Look for bulges, cracks, or uneven wear on one side. A sign of bad alignment. 4. Check the tire's age. Many tires fail from age, not mileage. After 5 to 6 years, the rubber dries out and cracks internally. Highway heat can split old tires like old cookies. 5. And please check the spare. Most people don't. Over half of stranded drivers have a spare tire that's flat or useless. A flat tire can delay your whole day. A useless spare can destroy your whole trip. 7. Brake fluid and brake pads, your only second chance. The engine might take you forward, but the brakes keep you alive. Before a long drive, check 2 things. 1. Brake fluid level. The reservoir has a minimum and maximum line. If it's low, there are only 2 reasons. Your brake pads are worn, there's a leak, both are serious. Also check the color. Clear amber equals good. Dark brown equals old, contaminated, dangerous. Old brake fluid absorbs moisture, and when it gets hot, it boils. Boiling fluid creates air bubbles. Air bubbles make the pedal sink. A sinking pedal means no brakes. On long trips, downhill roads, or heavy traffic, this can be deadly. 2. Brake pad thickness. Don't just peek from the outside. If the pad has less than 25% material left, it's not safe for a long drive, especially in a diesel car carrying extra weight or traveling at highway speed. Uneven wear, One pad thinner than the other means a sticking caliper, which can ruin a rotor on the trip. If your brakes smell burnt or feel spongy, that's a warning sign. A car with weak brakes isn't just unsafe, it's a time bomb on wheels. Make sure your brake system is solid before you hit the road. 6. Wipers and washer fluid. Seeing clearly saves lives. Most people worry about oil, coolant, or brakes, but almost no one checks something just as important: your visibility. On long trips, the windshield gets dirty much faster because of bugs, dust, road grease, debris from other vehicles. All of this sticks to the glass and creates a blurry, greasy film. If your wipers are bad or the windshield is dirty, night driving becomes extremely dangerous. Here's what to check. 1. Wiper condition. They should be soft, flexible, without cracks, leaving no streaks. If they skip, chatter, or leave dirty patches, replace them. On the road, that tiny missed spot can hide an obstacle when you need clear vision the most. 2. Use real washer fluid, not plain water. Water does not clean bugs, remove grease, prevent bacteria, stop the tank from freezing in cold weather. Washer fluid does. Good visibility isn't optional. It's your first line of defense. 5. Headlights, taillights, and proper adjustment. Lights don't just help you see as they help others see you. Before a long drive, check every single light: low beam, high beam. Brake lights, turn signals. Reverse lights, fog lights, license plate light. A weak or burnt bulb can make your car almost invisible at night, especially among larger vehicles. Headlight adjustment matters too. Lights that aim too high blind other drivers. Lights that aim too low shorten your vision range. Stand in front of a wall about 6 to 10 feet away and check if both beams are even and strong. A special warning: brake lights. Most drivers don't even know when there's burnout. On a long trip, especially with passengers or luggage, this can cause rear-end accidents. Good lighting equals good safety. Transition to the critical engine-saving checks. The previous tips were important, but the next ones are the checks that actually save diesel engines from breakdowns in the middle of nowhere. These are the checks most drivers never do, but mechanics always do before a big trip. You're about to see the habits that separate a stranded driver from the driver who never has road trouble. 4. Belts, pulleys, and tensioner, the silent failure that strands drivers. A lot of long trip breakdowns start with one small part: the Serpentine belt. This single belt runs alternator, water pump, a C compressor, power steering, sometimes the fan. If it snaps in the middle of the highway, your engine will lose charging, overheat, lose steering assist, shut down within minutes. What to check before the trip? 1. Belt condition. Look for cracks, glazing, shiny surface, frayed edges, belt squeal on cold start, slipping under load with AC on. If any of these show up, replace immediately. 2. Pulleys. Spin each pulley by hand, engine off. They should spin smoothly, make no grinding noise, have no wobble. A bad pulley can eat a brand new belt within hours. 3rd, tensioner. This part keeps the belt tight. If it's weak, the belt slips and overheats. Warning signs: belt chirping, low tension, visible vibration in the belt. A failed tensioner is one of the top causes of belt failures on long trips. A healthy belt system equals a safe engine. 3. Battery condition and voltage. Don't gamble on a dead start. A battery can look fine for weeks, then fail exactly when you need it most. What to inspect at terminals? Look for white or greenish corrosion. Corrosion blocks electricity and causes intermittent failures. Clean them and tighten properly. Voltage. With the engine off, approximately 12.6 volts is healthy. Below 12.3, the battery is weakening. With the engine running, approximately 14 volts indicates the alternator is charging correctly. Warning signs of a weak battery: dim dashboard lights, slow engine crank. Radio resets itself. Power windows move slower. A battery that fails mid-trip can prevent your car from starting. Disable critical electronics. Leave you stuck far from help. Checking the battery takes minutes and saves hours of stress. 2. Look for minimal leaks. Small spots, big trouble. Big leaks are obvious. Small leaks? Not so much. But micro leaks are a diesel's silent killer. Check under the car for tiny stains, even the size of a coin. What the colors tell you: black/dark oil, engine oil leak; green, pink, orange, coolant leak. clear/amber, brake fluid. Reddish/brown, power steering fluid. Even a tiny leak that's harmless in the city can become disastrous at highway speeds. Oil, engine loses pressure, major damage. Coolant, overheating, brake fluid. Brakes fail. Power steering, steering goes hard. A quick look under the car is all it takes to prevent a costly or dangerous breakdown. 1. Full pre-trip inspection, 24 hours before driving. If you only do one thing before a long trip, this is it. Why 24 hours before matters? Gives you time to fix issues without rushing. Lets you replace weak belts, tires, fluids, or battery. Avoids last-minute, I hope it's fine stress. How to do it? Open the hood and check all fluids. Inspect belts, hoses, and clamps. Look for leaks under the car. Test the battery. Listen for unusual noises. Verify all lights. Check tires and spare. Start the car and ensure smooth operation. Take your time. Don't rush. As the Japanese say, what's checked calmly isn't fixed urgently. A diesel car that's inspected calmly before a trip rarely fails. One checked at the last minute often ends as a horror story on the highway. Check your diesel car before every long trip. It only takes minutes but can save thousands. Subscribe and hit like if you want more tips to keep your engine healthy and drama-free.